So in a follow-up question, we are going to add vertical legs to the part we created previously. So we are going to use these following conditions. So the vertical leg should butt up against upper segments with 0 mm gap, and the upper segments will maintain the 3 mm gap and end mited corner treatment with each other. So we are going to open the parts and then make the changes. So with the parts opened, we are going to add a new group. So add a new group. Select the vertical legs. So from here you can see SOLIDWORKS has automatically trimmed this part and has also automatically trimmed this part. So this part is butted up straight with the top 0 mm, and it's also butted up with the down here 0 mm, just like in the question. So you are going to select OK. So you see there's no gap, 0 mm gap, and the top as well 0 mm gap, but we are maintaining the 3 mm gap from the previous question. So from the previous question we have a 3 mm gap. Okay, so after doing that, you are going to find the total mass of all the weldment segments. So with everything here selected, we'll go to mass properties. So the total mass is this. Okay,